Hello YouTube, Eric DIY. Big news! Zach's got a little sister any day now on the way. And so today we went and bought a Motorola 5-inch portable video baby monitor with 2 cameras, so that way we can have both Zach and Madelyn on cameras on the same monitor. It's model number MBP50-G2, and it has a 5-inch diagonal color screen. It has split screen viewing, so you can view each camera on the same screen, which is exactly what we wanted. But a bonus is that it also does remote pan, tilting, and zooming. So hopefully this will be even more of an upgrade over Zach's old camera, so that we can have them both on the same system. So Zach, are you excited about your sister?
Yep.
And what's your sister's name going to be?
Maddie.
Maddie, short for Madelyn, right?
Yep.
All right, you think that we're going to like these baby monitors here? You think you're going to like it too? Because you got a camera too, right?
Yep.
All right, let's see what's inside the box, okay?
Okay.
The other features on this Motorola 2-camera system is that it has two-way communication so that you can talk. That is a good thing to have. Room temperature display, which is also another good thing to have. It has this high-sensitivity microphone, so you can really hear what's going on in the room. And we never use these, but it has 5 lullabies built in. So just some more features of this baby monitor. So we have the 2 cameras. We have 2 power adapters that go to the cameras that plug in. We have the main monitor here. By the way, there's an important thing. It said that you want to charge it for 16 hours before initial use. So we're going to plug that in now before Maddie comes into this world. It also comes with a USB charger. That's for the monitor. So it charges by micro USB. And finally, they have this thing called the Star Grip, which is basically a glorified tripod that can bend in different ways, and you can clamp it around things and stuff. But I also want you to know that it only comes with 1 of them. So therefore, if you want, you can just get a normal little mini tripod, and it uses the same connection on the bottom as the Star Grip. It's just a regular tripod connector, but you can just leave it like this too, as long as you get the right angle. So this is Zach's old monitor. We bought this in 2013, before he was born, and pretty much you can see that it's all manual here. It has infrared. It served us well, but the monitor battery's going bad, and basically this has worked awesome, but we just upgraded to the pan tilt so that we can move it whatever way we want, see whatever angle we want. So we're going to replace it with a new baby monitor, and the first step in the quick start directions is basically just to plug this thing in with its AC adapter. So you'll see the spot for the AC adapter right in the back, and we'll just plug it right into the wall and get it going. We've plugged it into the back on the AC adapter, and we just have to turn it on, which the on-off switch is on the side. Just go flip it on, and you'll see a green light right there telling us that it's on. And just for now, we're setting up Madelyn's camera right here. I'm going to take the plastic off, but again, just plug in the AC adapter and you turn it on the side. So there is a green light on the front. And that's it. Those are the cameras taken out and ready to go. And after connecting those 2 cameras, the monitor instantly came alive with pictures. It's kind of like a security camera. It's bouncing back between the 2 cameras. There's different settings for that, by the way, but just to show you that it basically will start working as soon as you plug in the cameras and turn them on. As you see, the default is to have only 1 camera in view, but if you go to the menu button, it's going to have all your options here. You can magnify, you can change the brightness. This is for the lullabies. It can have a sleep timer where it turns off the camera after a couple hours. You could change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius here. This is so you can add on different cameras. This model will support up to 4 cameras. This play button right there, we'll move over with the arrows right here. That will put it on screen for 5, 30, or 60 minutes, or you can just keep it constantly on, which is what we will probably do. And then finally, if you want split screen, you go to the last menu setting, and you select the check, and it will display up to 4 cameras. But you just move it down to the check for split screen, and it'll have split screen, and it shows you camera 1, camera 2. And then pretty much if you want to select only 1 camera from this screen, you highlight it using the down and up arrows, and then you push OK, and it'll display that 1 camera. If you want to go back to split screen, you have to hit the menu button, move it over to split screen over here, and do the check. Now, as we said, one feature of this camera was pan and tilt and rotate. That's controlled when you're on a one camera video viewing, and you can go up and down with the down and up arrows. And finally you can go left and right with the arrows over here. If we hit OK, it goes to the second camera. So it switches camera views but just by pushing OK. But we're probably going to end up moving this camera later on, but I can move it to the crib, which is ready for Madeline, but we're probably going to put it on the wall so we can see inside the crib. And again, if you just push OK, it goes between camera views. Camera 1, camera 2. We're going to test the talking ability of this. I'm going to scroll over, and Zach should be on his bed. And then to talk with Zach, see, you saw the camera moving, but to talk to Zach, we're going to hold down the microphone button and talk. Hi Zach, can you hear me? Does it sound really clear? And if you see, it's like almost instant communication, so it's really good. Alright, do you think you can go to Maddie's room where I turn the light on? We could test that one? Okay. And as you can see, it picks him up really well. He even turned off his light and it went to night vision. So I'm going to push OK and go to camera 2. And he's right in front of the camera. He's going to wave. Alright, and I haven't even talked to him yet. Can you hear me in Maddie's room? So he can hear me clearly on what I have to say. And again, Zach, stay right there for 1 second, bud. We're going to go split screen now. This is selected, so I'll talk with him. Zach, can you hear me in Maddie's room?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you go back to your room and turn the light on and stay in your room?
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll shift to camera. His room. We'll highlight it there. Do you hear me in your room?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, it all depends on what room you have selected here. And it displays everything you need to know. So one last feature of the Motorola 5-inch portable video baby monitor with 2 cameras is this piece called the Star Grip Legs. And while we're not going to use it for our application, it does come with it. And basically it's like a tripod. But with the Star Grip, they give you directions on that. And they basically say, you know, put it on the base of the unit. And then you can just make it a regular tripod with it. Or you can wrap it around somewhere so it doesn't slip out, and you can put it around like a strap or something. And then you can also have it shaped to suit anywhere, so you can bend this in whatever direction you need to wrap around something. And it looks like it's a useful feature. I mean, we're not going to use it, but it's definitely something that's there that they give you that's extra. So overall, I see this being a really good monitoring system. You also have a plus and minus sign on the top, as well as the power buttons. And for the monitor itself, it has a little kickstand that comes out so that you can have it near your bedside and watch everything. So that is my review of the 5-inch portable video baby monitor with 2 cameras by Motorola, model number MBP50-G2. And if you'd like to pick up a monitor like this, please look for a link in the description below. It'll show you Amazon, where you'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. And have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.